Hi, I'm Cathy Sabater. If you landed here, you're probably thinking about buying a home, refinancing, or figuring out how to turn the house you have into the retirement you want. Are you confused, overwhelmed, not sure who to trust? And let's be honest, the mortgage world is confusing. It's stressful. It's about as fun as a root canal, but it doesn't have to be. I'm a proud veteran and a mortgage broker, and my job is to cut through the noise and give you straight answers and real strategy, not hype, not pressure, not last minute surprises. On this channel, we cover things like VA loans, buying strategies, refinancing, hidden equity, and homeowner planning, including how to protect your family and your assets long term. And don't worry, I don't take myself too seriously. When I'm not working deals, you'll find me on the racquetball court or crushing my family at Scrabble. If you want actionable mortgage advice with a little attitude, hit the subscribe button. And to get started, click my playlist, 12 Days of Home Ownership. Right here is like a crash course on winning in today's market. Several different topics for you to choose from. I'm Cathy Sabater, mortgage strategist, NMLS number 373470. I'll see you in the next video.